Hi friends and welcome back to Trekker Fam. This is AJ again with you today. Today I am going to be discussing with you the importance of financial planning. It is very important in your life that you should do some financial planning for your savings and for your family. So today we have here a person who have changed my perspective of financial planning and who have assisted me for the last 2 years to get the right plans to do financial planning for my family and assisted me in making the decisions which is required to be made to get the saving amount what I wanted to think about when I retire. So we have Mr. Jitendra with us today from MetLife. Mr. Jitendra is from Ahmedabad, and I'm sure people know from Ahmedabad that over there पैसा ही सब कुछ होता है, right? So
Gujarat, India.
So yes, Gujarat, India. So Mr. Jitendra is with MetLife since 2012, and he has been in the financial planning industry since 2003. So he has a lot of experience, over 15, 17 years of experience with him, and he's going to be talking to us about today importance of financial planning. So this will be a mix Hindi, Urdu, English session for you guys. So if you have any questions which were not clear, please comment and we will be able to answer you guys. So Mr. Jitendra, क्या आप हमें बता सकते हैं कि what is the importance of financial planning?
Surely, it's a very good fundamental question. I would like to put it this way. Financial planning would help you sail through the journey called life comfortably, financially.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Life will continuously throw challenges, financial challenges all the time. And financial planning is something that can help you face it confidently. That's it, in the most simplest way I can put it.
अगर हिंदी में बोलना चाहें इसको तो
हिंदी में इस तरीके से कह सकते हैं कि जो हमारी ज़िंदगी है उसको पैसे के तरीके से, अगर पैसे के चैलेंजेस को देखते हुए करें तो प्लान करके करेंगे तो उसका सामना अच्छे तरीके से कर पाएंगे। और सबसे सिंपलेस्ट आसान तरीके से मैं यही कह सकता हूँ कि प्लानिंग करके कुछ करेंगे तो उसको अच्छी तरीके से फेस कर पाएंगे, सामना कर पाएंगे।
तो मिस्टर जितेंद्र, अगर इसको थोड़ा सा आगे लेके चलें तो आई बिलीव दैट एवरीवन in this world wants to save through some sort of money in life, through financial planning, through other ways of stream, but not everyone is successful and many of them actually fails to save money. So from that perspective, how do you come into play and how can you help them in this perspective?
Frankly speaking, let's try to address to why people are not able to save money, why they are struggling. The reason, the simplistic reason is something that is missing is discipline. Discipline is something that is missing entirely. What happens is, usually the trend, what we have noticed is that everyone wants to save money, as you rightly said. What happens is, they decide they would like to save. But what happens really out of the decision? The pattern they follow is first they make the money, they get their salary check, they plan to save money, but they spend money and they think whatever is left they will save. And it does not happen that way practically. Because by the end of the month, they realize there is nothing left to save. Right? So the ideal situation in the highest recommendation would be get your money, get your income, save it first, then spend, and you will be surprised how effectively you can save. Of course, there's going to be some pain or some discomfort initially.
Yes.
But yes, you will make it. Sure.
So the most important thing here to understand is lifestyle. So हमारे लिए lifestyle बहुत ज़्यादा important हो जाता है जब हमारे पास salary आती है, rather than कि saving, because we don't want to compromise on our lifestyles rather than saving, right? So what we decide is let's spend right now and we'll save later. So there is something people miss out on, is that you need to, from when your salary check comes in, there has to be a portion from your salary check which has to go into that saving amount that you need to save. For me, if I'm talking about myself, I save 30% of my salary check every month, and I have different plans through which I decide to save. So this is actually what Mr. Jitendra wants to say here is जब सैलरी आए पहले उसमें से एक हिस्सा निकाल दो, सेव कर दो, उसके बाद डिसाइड करो कि जो बाकी पैसा बचा है उससे हमें क्या करना है. ठीक है. We will also discuss in our another session about budgeting, right? So सैलरी की budgeting बहुत ज़्यादा important है.
True. और मैं इसमें ये भी कहना चाहूँगा, I would like to point out that you know how much you can save.
Definitely.
Don't go for an impractical approach. Practically, whatever you can save, decide first and take action. That's
Done.
it.
All right. So now everybody knows that COVID and pandemic is here, okay? And there has been a lot of scare in the market. There has been a lot of tension in the market, stress, salary cuts, job losses. A lot of things is going on. So, Mr. Jitendra, from your experience being a financial planner advisor, what have you seen, right? What has been the changes? What has been the reaction from the customer or from the people in Dubai that you have seen because of COVID?
Yeah, okay. This COVID was really totally unexpected, which the world population is experiencing for the first time. Right? Okay. But the most important thing that I feel that the people have realized, or rather this COVID has made people to realize, is the fact how fragile human life is. So this realization is something that really this COVID has resulted in, you know, and
Definitely.
and it has kept people thinking about it, and you know, this is the best. I mean, rather than the best, this is the most important realization, which was always the fact, but it just surfaced out simply because of COVID. Life is so fragile, and we are seeing people falling apart. So this is something.
So what was the reaction of your?
Yes, okay. Now the reaction was in a different ways, because the reaction, different people would react differently,
Definitely, yes.
right? Depending on the situation. Right. Few of my existing clients, they wanted me to increase the coverage amount, protection coverage amount, right? So they were looking at the possibilities. At the same time, they were also interested in adding on some protection features rather than just the amount, you know. Okay, what I really mean is something like cost of treatment, okay, or the cost of staying in the hospital, something of this sort.
Yeah.
And many people took it as an opportunity to invest money as well, because you would know funds and everything is going down. So for the people who are healthy with money or who are comfortable with money, they are looking for investment options as well.
So basically what Mr. Jitendra is trying to say is there has been two different types of reaction by the people in Dubai. Was one who wanted to increase their protection, increase their existing coverage, and the other was who have extra cash available, started putting in the funds because the market crashed because of COVID, and everybody wanted to whoever have extra cash and did not invest it in past wanted to invest money right now, so when the market goes back on its feet they can take that profit. So this is the mixed reaction which we have seen. So Mr. Jitendra, having said COVID being in place and all other pandemic crisis here, what is most important to protect in life in your
According to me, I would simply say income.
income? Okay.
If you think deeper, you would realize it all revolves around income. Income needs to be protected.
Definitely.
Come what may. Know your threats.
Yes.
What is going to stop the income, and do your best to stop.
So how do we stop that?
Yeah, that is what I am here for. With individual analysis, I can suggest different ways how they can protect and ensure that the income loss does not result in the financial catastrophe for the family.
Yes. So yes, it's very important what Mr. Jitendra said, that I will say 80 to 85% of the population in UAE or anywhere around the world depends on their monthly income, right? They have expenses and they have income coming in on a monthly basis, and they have to fulfill their expenses, right? So for them, the most important part is to have a regular income coming in, and that regular income should meet at least minimum their budgeted requirements of their expenses, right? So this is very important aspects to save. एक बहुत important बात है साहब जो मैं सोच रहा था, काफ़ी मेरे दोस्त, काफ़ी मेरे जानने वाले, all these people who I know, most of them are very reluctant. ठीक है ना, काफ़ी अनसिक्योर है इस मामले में डिस्कस करने के लिए कि डू दे नीड फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग, डू दे डोंट नीड फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग. सो फ्रॉम दिस पर्सपेक्टिव मिस्टर जितेंद्र, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, हु आर द पीपल who do not need financial planning?
You framed this question very nicely. Okay, wonderful. I think let me try to explain it this way. This financial planning and insurance and everything, there are three issues, right? So let's try to understand what are the issues. Number one, it is a woman's issue. ये औरतों का मसला है.
अच्छा.
Right? अच्छा. What I'm trying to say is कि women make home a home, right? Okay, house a home. And what I'm trying to say, this implies they make the family,
Definitely.
right? Number two, women are expected to outlive men,
Definitely.
right? So, whatever the number of years you have been accumulating your assets, or women are going to outlive their assets, expectedly, if not planned properly. So there is a need. And this needs to be addressed. It is not man's issue, it is a woman's issue. And they make the family. Number one. Number two, this is also a wealth issue. ये जो हम एसेट बनाते हैं, तो ये एसेट का भी मसला है.
सही है.
सारी जिंदगी हम करते क्या है? पैसा कमाते हैं, सेव करना है तो क्यों करना है? एसेट ही तो बना रहे हैं.
हाँ.
वही बनाना है, तो ये वो इशू है. राइट. तीसरी चीज़ कि ये टैक्स का इशू भी है. How many people know कि the claim proceeds from the insurance companies are tax free? बाकी आप कोई भी एसेट दोगे, एसेट क्या करोगे आप? जीते जी इसका इस्तेमाल करोगे. You are going to use your assets as long as you live,
Definitely, yes.
and then pass it on to the legal heirs.
Yes.
Right? Only insurance is something that will not imply any taxes. Wherever you are. No inheritance tax, no property tax, nothing. It is clean, tax-free, hard cash money.
Oh, that's nice.
So when you are asking the question that who would not require, all the human masses, I'm telling you all upfront, all the human masses who don't fall under these three categories, they don't need it. Everyone else needs. Simple.
So in the clean shot, everybody needs it, right?
Simple.
So
This is the
even
universal
if,
fact.
yeah, even the richest of the richest needs financial planning. Even the poor of the poor should have a financial planner
Sure.
in their life, because you need to grow, right? You cannot stay at where you are. You need to secure your kids' life. You need to secure your family's life. You need to secure your future as well, right? So it is very important to have financial planning for everyone. So now that we know that everyone in this world do require financial planning, so from your experience, Mr. Jitendra, what do you suggest is one of the best financial plans that can fit anyone in the world requirements?
Okay. Again, I would not go into those complex jargons and all. I would put it very simple, right? For anyone to understand in the simplest way, the plan which holds its value in delivering what it suggests, right? Keeping in view, it meets all the three expectations that anyone can expect from saving or investment.
Okay.
So now the point comes, what are those three expectations? And I'm saying these are the only three expectations. Number one expectation is security. Since it comes from the insurance company, security is there. When you put your money is secure. It gives protection,
Yeah.
right? There's a backing of an insurance company.
Definitely, yes.
Right? So that is one thing. Number two, what is the liquidity?
Yes.
I am saving money, I am investing money, but Most importantly, it is very important that money comes to my aid when I need it. That liquidity portion is very, very important. It comes with the liquidity portion as well,
Okay, that's good.
right? And number three, the final expectation from any investment or savings would be, what will I get back? What is the return?
Very true.
Right. So in that scenario, let me try to explain and give you the facts that these insurance companies, they provide a very fantastic investment platform
Yes.
where you can invest, particularly in this part of the world. We are really having a very big advantage that the global economy is something that we can really invest our money in.
Definitely, yes.
And with all those flexibilities and everything, this really makes a very good sense for investments as well. Long term, short term, one time, with insurance, without insurance, everything is available. So now things are not remained the way it used to be a decade before.
Okay, so, if you can give me an example of a financial plan?
One of the best plans that I can think of is, which is relevant, you know. You have a child, I have a child, right? Okay. Child's education is something very important for everyone.
Yes.
For a parent, child education, all right? And I would say the best example of financial planning, one of the best examples, is child's education. Why?
Yes.
Why? Because this ensures that the money is available when the child really needs the money, regardless of her situation. And what makes it still more important is the fact that once you start the plan, it is guaranteed to reach its target.
Yes. Very true.
Even if,
Very true.
yeah, because even if the parent happens to die or get disabled, the contribution will continue, even if you fail
That's
to
good.
contribute.
That is very good. That's very important for
This is
anyone.
something,
Yes.
and this is something that only this dedicated plans can offer. Go for the best investments, but this features is something not available.
Any
Not
other?
manageable.
Any other example?
Plan for your retirement.
Oh, that is good.
Plan for your retirement.
Very important. Yes.
Sure. And as I said, one of the issues was the wealth issue.
Yeah.
A drop of a ink and a stroke of a pen can make all the difference. You possibly would take time to realize it. But in the most effective way, yes. And I can assure you that this can be done if addressed to properly.
So retirement can also be set with this financial planning, right?
Sure, sure.
Okay. So, Mr. Jitendra, we discussed a lot of things about why it is important to have financial plans, what types of plans are available, who actually needs these plans, and we also listened to some examples of the plans, which is like education plan for your kids, retirement plan, life insurance is there also. Okay. So, to summarize the whole discussion, what are your final words about this in the importance of financial plan for our audience today?
Sure. My final word, before giving the final word, I would say that is derive the final word.
Okay.
Right? Okay. Let me ask you this question, Akbar. Can you make a list of people who plans but to fail?
Nobody wants to plan to fail,
Exactly.
Mr. Jitendra.
That's the whole point,
Yes.
right? But what we realize is people fail to plan most of the time. See,
That is true. Yes, that is very true.
so yes. So what I would like to give a message is take action and do something to ensure that you don't fail to plan. Action is must, no matter how big or small it is.
Definitely.
But I can guarantee and assure you one thing, that the impact it can have is going to be massive.
That is very true. That is very, very true. So, Mr. Jitendra, to thank you for your final words. So we will try to conclude this session. Mr. Jitendra is in Dubai. And Mr. Jitendra, what is your number? If you can tell the audience your number.
Sure. 055-232-1422.
So his contact details is also mentioned in the description, guys. His email address and his phone number is there. You can contact Mr. Jitendra for any type of financial planning.
Sure.
He is with MetLife, one of the prestigious insurance companies in UAE and around the world. So this is all for today, guys. Please do subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed, and please watch out for more sessions on budget and financial planning in Dubai for you guys to understand how you can survive, how you can budget your lifestyle in UAE, and how to do your financial planning and savings. Thank you all for today, and thank you again, Mr. Center, for
Thank
giving us your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See ya. Bye.